right, time for the third video in this series where we assemble our little dresser here and get all the drawers sliding in and out nicely. So here we go. I'm going to close this one down. So at this point in time, if I go up in my window, you'll see I have the drawer and the dresser frame both open in my SOLIDWORKS. Since they're both open, then I can just come up to New, say I want a new assembly. And it will auto-populate anything that I currently had open, aka my drawer and my dresser frame. Now I want to select the dresser frame first and put it out here, because whatever you put out here first is fixed in space. Okay? And then, oh, my little menu went away, and that's all right. I'll come up here to Insert Components, and I will pin it. Select Drawer, and I'm going to be putting 4 of these drawers out here. So I'll zoom back just a little bit, give myself some room. 1, 2, 3, and zoom back a little more. 4. There we go. Green tick mark. Now I got a frame, and I got 4 drawers. And give myself a little bit of shading, just kind of helps me see what's going on. So to actually mate these together, I'm going to open up my mate menu, and I'm going to start picking which surfaces I want mated. So personally, I'm just going to go with these side surfaces, and then I'm going to pick this upper piece on that little slide rail and that whole surface. Make sure you don't grab the edge, make sure you grab the whole surface. And where it's going to ride in the dresser, going to be right over here on this one. And I'm just going to go through this for each and every drawer, and I'm going to make them all as coincident. So this side surface is going to be coincident with this side surface. See, the computer guessed coincident, and that's correct. So I'll click the green tick mark. And now sometimes you got to move your dresser around. Sometimes you got to move your view around, zoom in and out. So that top one there, it's the surface that it's going to ride against, which in this drawer is right there. And I want them coincident. Green tick mark. There we go. So this first drawer is now mated. So it will slide in and out nicely. Perfect. I'll slide it into place, and I'll just leave it there, and I'll move on to the next one. That surface, along with that surface. Mated coincident, green tick mark. Now I'll come in here, and I'll actually pull the drawer out so I can see what's going on. I'll pick the top, and where that's going to slide against, I'll zoom on in. There we go. Make those two coincident. Green tick mark. Now this drawer should slide in. Perfect. Halfway there. Side of the drawer. The surface it's going to ride upon. Made them coincident. Green tick mark. Slide. Excellent. Slide the drawer out a little bit. Zoom on in. Top of the rail. Surface where that one's actually going to slide. Zoom in here. There it is. Now they're mated coincident. Green tick mark. Now slide the drawer in so it's out of the way. One more to go. Side of the drawer. Surface it's going to ride against. Coincident. Green tick mark. Pull the drawer out so I can get in here in this rail. Top surface of the rail. And surface that it's going to ride against. And make those coincident. Now I can close down my mate menu, go back to my isometric view, and the drawers slide in and out, just like I bought it from IKEA and actually knew what I was doing. Looky there. All right, Well, I hope you've enjoyed this build. I hope it was helpful, and I hope you're having a great day.